I can I cannot say anything what to do. And literally,
Hello.
hello,
Am I audible and visible? Am I audible and visible to you?
you are audible, but you are not visible.
Okay, just let me see.
Just
Start video.
turn on your yeah.
Now,
Yeah, now.
how's it fine?
This
What, what was happening? It has been 30 minutes we have been trying. What was happening? I have been sweating a lot. It's
and
too hot.
literally, I am fed up of this application, Zoom and Skype and Team. In every app, on the every app, I am struggling a lot to connect with the people.
Oh,
And I don't know
every
what
day
happened.
it is happening.
Yeah, it is happening with me last 15 days. And I'm literally, struggling alone, and I'm really tired of connecting to the people, because
Yeah.
before connecting the people I have to fix everything. I have to wait, and I think I have sent at least 4 and 5 Zoom link, and then I will be able to connect with people.
Oh,
So it was
okay.
literally hectic for me. It has become. And
Yes, really, I was also becoming fed up. I thought of giving up because I teach students, so my students will come at 4. So before that, I have to got ready. So that's why I was thinking, oh my God, I will not be able to do this session. I because I have never done session on Zoom application. This is the first time I'm conducting session on Zoom application. So I used to conduct sessions on Skype applications, but unfortunately, we have lost that application. So it is really, really it is really a sad news for all of us. We're unable to make sessions because it was quite easy to use that application.
it
And we
was.
were also getting the
Hmm.
recording so easy. It was so easy. There was no problem to use that application.
Yeah.
After closing that application, I'm facing a lot of problems, ma'am.
You know,
So,
Also, I have also facing other problem as well, that it was happening with me on Skype. They have announced to the Skype has shut down, and I think on 1 May Skype has shut down. So before
yes.
1 month I was not getting any of video. Like, I have been talking with
Oh,
people, but at the end of the session, I didn't get
yes, yes.
any video. And the same thing
It
is happening
happens.
with me on Zoom. Like yesterday, I have talked with somebody, and I had started to recording, and everything was going on well, and I have checked double. But then at the end of the session, when it comes to convert my video in gallery, I didn't get the option. And literally, I was
Oh
really
my,
disappointed. Yeah.
on on Zoom application too, it is happening.
Yeah, it's happened very first
Oh,
time.
okay.
Yeah, it's happened very first time. I don't know. Maybe in my laptop there is some issue. It might be the reason, but still I don't know the exact, reason why it is happening on Zoom application as well.
Or it is happening with everyone. Have you asked somebody that it is also happening with them, or it is happening with you only?
I think no, because on Zoom it's not like that. If you have conversation with somebody, you will definitely get the video. But I think it's happened with me only. I am the first one who had happened these things with.
Facing.
Hmm.
Okay, okay, okay. So, ma'am, very good afternoon. Afternoon. I have forgot to wish you because
Yeah.
we were facing a lot of problems, so that's why. So, how are you, ma'am? How have you been?
Yeah, I am doing so good so far, and I have no
Mm-hmm.
complaint by the grace of the God. And today I am really
Hmm.
feel very, thrilled, because I'm having conversation last after 7 days or 8 days, because last week
Oh,
I was not feeling well. I was under the weather. So that's why I'm really very excited to talk with you.
yeah.
So yeah, you
Yes,
tell
I'm
me,
equally
how are you?
excited and thrilled. Yes, I'm also doing pretty well. And I was also not conducting sessions for 5 or 7 days. I was also not conducting sessions. So this is the first session after 7 days, you can say. And I'm also not uploading videos on my channel because of I'm not unable to record sessions. So that's why.
Yeah, it's also happening with me, but I think we have many alternative that we can,
Mhm.
uh, we can use other application, we can record and we can, but in my case, I am not consistent on my practice last 15 days, and as well as
Mhm.
simultaneously, I am not, consistent as my YouTube channel as well. So it's not good for me, and I am really feeling and that it is not good
Mhm.
for me and it is not good for my YouTube channel, because if you want to be if you want to get a good viewers, a good subscribers, so that time you need to be very consistent on your channel.
Absolutely.
But I am not consistent, so I really feel very bad. I'm trying so hard
Yes.
being consistent, but still there is some issue that I am not, because as I told you, as I mentioned, that I am not getting videos at the end of the session. So there is
Mhm.
one issue as well. So yeah, let's see what happened.
Yes, that also makes us really irritated, frustrated when we give that much amount of time. We spend a lot of time on this kind of things, and then at the end of the session, if we see that our video is not recorded or we are not able to record the
It's
session,
really
then it is
disappointed.
really, it makes disappointed. It really makes us very sad and upset and irritated sometimes.
Yeah,
So,
irritated.
ma'am, may I know something about you?
Yeah, of
Could you please
course.
tell me something
I
about you?
forgot to tell you. Yeah. So, as you already know, my name is Arshi and I hail from UP, Uttar Pradesh. And if I talk about my
Hmm.
qualifications, so I have mastered in chemistry and furthermore, I did B.Ed. So, and then I was working,
Hmm.
but I'm not
Hmm.
working now. And I have,
Okay.
yeah, I have many hobbies. I have multiple hobbies that I love.
Hmm.
uh, I love cooking. I love stitching. I love listening English content as
Oh.
much as I can.
Hmm.
Yeah, and I love
Hmm.
traveling, and I love talking to different diverse background people. So these are my
Hmm.
hobbies, and I really enjoy whenever I get time.
Great to know about you, man. Great, great.
Yeah,
So let me tell you something about me too, because
you.
when we don't know each other, it really it we don't feel good,
We
isn't it?
feel awkward
So
and
let me
we
tell you
feel
something.
strange little bit.
Okay. Yes. So let me tell you something about me. I am Shatabdi. I'm talking to you from West Bengal. And talking about my academic credentials, I have done my graduation and post-graduation in English literature, and I have also completed B.Ed. And I run my YouTube channel. The name of my YouTube channel is Speak with Shatabdi, and I also run a Facebook page where I also upload this kind of conversation videos. And by profession, I'm a teacher. I teach in a school, I teach at home, and I also teach over online spoken English. That's
Oh,
all about me.
that's great and that's amazing. I think you have many things on your plate. You are doing multiple things at
Yes.
the same time. So it's really great to know, because as I can see that you are married. So as a
Indeed.
married person, it's really very, arduous to manage everything in very well manner. So you're doing so great. I really appreciate it. Yeah.
Thank you. It means a lot to me, ma'am. So
Yes.
you said that you like traveling. So how many places you have traveled so far? Have you traveled out of India?
No, to be honest, I did not travel out of India. I just traveled
Mhm.
in my country. I have visited some state, like I have visited Delhi, and I have visited
Mhm.
Agra. It is a place of my state. It is a city. Agra, and I
Mhm.
have visited Noida. And recently I have visited Uttarakhand, UK. I can say UK.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, last
Oh, that's amazing.
yeah, last week I have visited, not last week, I think 10 days ago, I have visited UK,
Mm-hmm.
and for visiting purpose, and I really enjoyed there. I had so much fun out there, and I got to know so
Mm-hmm.
many things about the Dehradun, about the Missouri, and especially I went
Mm-hmm.
Missouri. Yeah, and there I really enjoy, and the nature in Missouri is really amazing. You feel,
Mm-hmm.
peace, calmness, and the weather is
Yeah.
also really very nice. So I have
Mm-hmm.
enjoyed a lot, and I lived that moment. I lived every single moment, and I have make lots of memory. I have made lots of memory in Missouri or as well in Dehradun.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah,
Yes. And that place is absolutely amazing. I read in books, but I haven't gone there. So I read in books.
yeah.
Yes, ma'am. So you also love stitching. So did you learn stitching or you do on your own?
No, I did not learn, but I think before 4 years ago, I have noticed my sister-in-law. She done a very good stitching. She has a very
Mm-hmm.
good skill in stitching. She can make every days, like she can make gowns and everything. She can make lehenga
Mm-hmm.
and frock and everything she can make. She makes. So then I
Mm-hmm.
have started to observing her. And then I have
Mm-hmm.
started to use how she cut the clothes, how she stitch the cloth and all. So then I started to apply, and then I found it's really very interesting. Then I started to stitching. But I don't stitch
Oh,
others'
great.
clothes. I only stitch my clothes and my family clothes. That's it. It's my hobby. It's not my
Okay.
profession. Yeah, it's not my profession.
Yes,
It's
I
just
can
my hobby.
understand.
So
Yes,
I just enjoy
I
my
can
free
understand.
time. Hmm.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
So do you get free time these days? Do you get free time?
Yeah, of course, because it's a mention that I'm not working this year. So
Mm-hmm.
I
Mm-hmm.
must say that I have a plenty of time. And so
Okay,
whenever I get
you
time,
get time.
whenever I get time, so I do.
Okay, great, ma'am. So I would like to start from your childhood. How was your childhood? Could you please tell me something about your childhood? How was that? Were you a very obedient girl? As a girl, how you were? Did you used to listen to your parents a lot? Or you were a kind of mischievous girl, or sometimes you used to do some naughty things. What kind of girl you were?
Yeah, so truly speaking, I was very obedient girl. Very, very.
Oh, great,
I
great.
always used to listen my parents as they used to say, and I do the things as they want to, as they wanted to me.
Mhm,
And
mhm,
also if I talk about my childhood, so my childhood is very normal and it's very simple. I would
mhm,
say that, yeah, and because
mhm,
I come from a village, I live in a village. So
mhm.
in village,
Okay.
your childhood is not it's a very fancy some kind of, but I had a very simple childhood, but I really enjoyed in my childhood because at that time we didn't have phone. So it,
Mhm,
so that time I had lots of time. I had enough time. So all the time after coming to school, I used to play a lot and I used to watching TV a lot. At that time, the TV we didn't have TV in at our home.
mhm,
So I used to go there in
mhm,
others home for just
mhm.
watching because I was very fond of watching TVs like shows, everything,
Oh.
movies in my childhood. Yeah, I was crazy, and I think yeah, I had to spend. I used to spend. I think for I think 3 and 4 hours out there just watching something, or and then I was very obedient and I was simple. I
Hmm.
was not that much of a very, yeah, I was very simple.
Okay, okay. And I, by looking you, what I feel is that you are very innocent and simple.
Yeah.
You look like that. And you
Yeah.
also look like you, I feel like that you're bad obedient. And still you are, I feel so.
Yeah,
Because your face is telling that.
yeah, I am. There is no doubt.
Mhm.
Still, I'm very obedient.
Yes,
Yeah.
yes. And when you stepped into your school life, how was that? How was your teacher? And how did you adjust in school when you went for the very first time to primary school and to high school? How was that journey? How was that period?
So,
How was that time?
if I talk about my schooling, so in my school, I was shy. School time.
Okay.
I'm talking about my school
Mm-hmm.
time. During that time, I was shy and I was under the
Mm-hmm.
confident, and I had a habit that I didn't make many friends because I don't, I was shy. I was introvert, so I didn't have courage to speak even classmate. So when
Mm-hmm.
I did not when I was when I was pursuing my 11th 12th, so that time I did not do at the same village. I went my Bua home. Bua.
Okay.
Yeah, because in my village there was a school, but in the school I didn't get science stream, science background.
Okay.
Yeah, and I
Mm-hmm.
wanted to
Mm-hmm.
study in science background. Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
So for that purpose, for that reason, I went to my boss home and I studied there. So that if I talk about environment, environment was completely different, completely. And
Mm-hmm.
it took me 1 year to manage myself out there in that
Oh.
college, in that school, because 1 year I did not spoke to anybody. I used to sit alone and I used to sit very
Oh.
quietly. I didn't talk with my teachers and I didn't talk
Mm-hmm.
very less. I used to talk very less with my teacher if they ask me something, so I give answer if I know, if I knew. Otherwise, I stay, I stay quiet stand. Yeah, so and it took me 1 year to be, you know, to make friend, and then 1 year I did not enjoy. And that time I was thinking how it will pass this time. It was really take time for me 1 year, but in second year I
Mm-hmm.
started to make friend, and then I make lots of friend, and then I was very, I adapted
Mm-hmm.
that environment, and I really, and in 12th I really enjoyed the school time. But in
Okay.
11th, I did not enjoy it all.
Yes, yes, because it takes time to adjust in a new place. It takes
Yeah,
much time
yeah,
sometimes.
it took me lots of
So,
time.
mm-hmm. So, ma'am, you are speaking really well. I am feeling not leaving this session, but time is not allowing me. My students will come at 4, so that's why I have to
Uh,
go. Otherwise, I could have talked to you. So, ma'am, one more thing that I would like to tell you is that if we talk on a regular basis on topic, will you be able to talk on topic every single day these days?
no, I did not get your point. Could you please repeat that?
Yes, I'm telling you, because Skype application has shut down. So I'm unable to record sessions with someone who has phone.
Hmm.
So if somebody has laptop, then only it's possible to record the session.
Hmm.
So you have laptops, so you can record the session. So if you can record the session, you will be able to send me. So I will also be able to upload on my channel.
Oh,
So
yeah.
I'm telling you that if we talk on a regular basis on topic, before talking, we can also practice a little bit. And if we continue on a regular basis, so will you be able to manage time? If you can manage time, then we can have sessions every single day on topic.
Yeah, that would be great. That would be great because I am also not getting people. I am not also getting lots of people with whom I can practice. I can
Mm-hmm.
practice on audio call very easily in the evening, but when it comes to
Mm-hmm.
talk on video call, so it's really very difficult for me.
No, what is
So yeah,
there?
if you
Mm-hmm.
want to join with me every single day, so I really appreciate it. I would like to join with you because that's how we can enhance our knowledge, and we can talk about, we can discuss a particular topic, and that's how we can improve
Absolutely.
our fluency and our
Sure.
communication skills. So yeah, I would like to do that. Such
Sure,
kind
ma'am.
of
So
thing.
I will definitely connect with you on audio call and then on video call. Okay, we will manage time and we will fix time and then we will have session.
Yeah, but please inform me just 30 minutes,
Absolutely,
you know?
absolutely, absolutely. There is no issues. There
Yeah.
is no issues. We have phones and I will send you message. Okay, we will keep in touch.
Okay, so you send
Okay,
me
ma'am.
your number. I'll try to connect with you out there.
Yes, I have sent you my phone number. By that number, I have also WhatsApp. You can send me message there. There is no problem. Okay.
Yeah, sure. Yeah, it
Okay.
was such a nice conversation with you, and I really enjoyed.
Nice. I really enjoyed
And if
talking to
I
you.
get this
Thank you so
video,
much, ma'am.
if I get this
Hmm.
video at the end of the session, so I'll definitely
Hmm.
send to you. If I don't get, so it was my bad.
Sure, sure, ma'am. There is no issues. If you get the recording, please send me.
Yeah, sure. Yeah, bye bye. Take
Okay,
care.
ma'am. Thank you. Take
Thank
care.
you.